Do you know how many different truck models Chevrolet produced in 1965? Well, if you don't, you're about to find out. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck is cool not just because of the way it looks, but it also has a bunch of really interesting options. Starting under the hood, it's got a V8 engine, which originally would have been a 327, possibly a 250 horsepower version. This is now a 350, but it still kind of looks like that old 327. Under the hood has been treated to a mild restoration, but you'll notice a couple of interesting things. This is a factory power brake car, factory power steering, and factory air conditioning. These are cool looking trucks, and this mid-60s C10 platform is really gaining popularity again. One of the differences from the 65 is a design revision with the windshield. The 64 and earlier had a more wraparound glass than this one. This is a little bit cleaner looking, but it still keeps this cool sun visor effect on the roof. Inside, this is a very clean truck. Again, appears mostly original. The gauges are real nice. It's got a rubber floor mat, nice two-tone bench seat. But what you want to pay extra attention to is that air conditioning vent in the middle of the dash, because that is not something you see every day, because 1965 was the very first year for air conditioning in this type of truck. This truck came to us here at the V8 Speed Resto Shop for some maintenance items, some loose front suspension pieces, and a few other details. But one of the biggest projects we did was to replace the bed floor. If you have a nice finished oak wood bed floor, it really makes these trucks stand out. We've done a bunch of these in different trucks. I like the satin finish, coupled with those stainless ribs. It just makes the whole overall presentation look really nice. Although, you might be a little bit nervous about throwing your engines or your hog feed back here. Who knows? If you've got an old truck that needs some love, you can always reach us at the V8 Speed Shop. Go to the website v8speedshop.com and we'll be happy to help you out. And if you guessed 324 different models of Chevrolet truck were available for 65, well, you win, because that encompasses El Caminos, pickup trucks, vans, chassis cabs, commercial chassis, the whole thing. So with all the different engines available, gasoline versus diesel, and all those platforms, Chevy made a lot of different trucks. See you next time.